Here's how to clean your glue tray quickly and effectively with the help of AntiFix. Before you use the glue tray for a project, make sure to coat the tray with AntiFix. This is a special product designed to prevent the adhesive from sticking to the glue tray. Apply the AntiFix using a cloth, ensuring you cover all corners and edges, as shown in the video. Now, let's move on to the steps for cleaning the glue tray with AntiFix. Start by carefully cutting away any remaining seaming tape from the edges of the glue tray. This will make the removal process easier. Next, loosen the glue tray by twisting it off the adhesive machine. Once it's free, remove it completely. With the glue tray detached, peel away any seaming tape stuck to the tray. This step will ensure a clean surface for removing the adhesive. Using a knife, cut along the edges of the glue tray to free any adhesive stuck to the sides. Once the adhesive is loosened, you can now pull it out in one piece with ease. And that's it. Your glue tray is now clean and ready for its next use.